Everyone coughs. Everyone laughs. Everyone looks around and sometimes falls in love.
Every nose runs, whether white or black. Anyone can go to bed and wake up very sick.
Every heart hurts, every head aches.
Everyone who loses mom feels it in their bones.
Every throat sores, whether north or south. Anyone can go to bed and wake up sick.
And we can only hope that on that sickly night, someone would be bringing up a bowl of pepper soup.
That we may not lay alone on our feverish bed.
For everybody prays to die with loved ones all around.
It's rooted in the place as old as tooth and claw.
As old as what is left of that our earliest ancestor.
That man survived the floods, the carnage, and the plagues.
Is rooted in the fact that we are social animals.
And so, a smile can heal, a nod can mend the broken.
A wave can wave despair away, bring the soul back to hoping.
That, when we fall, the family stands, a shield of flesh around us.
To blow into a roaring flame the warrior soul within us. It's rooted in the hands that grasp themselves in prayer.
The comfort that we deeply feel from a light hand on the shoulder, that down there in our deepest pain, a word can turn the lights on.
It's rooted in the fact that love can strengthen us to go on.
So isolate yourself, but leave your window open.
No need to cross the road in fear each time you see me coming. Our eyes are free to touch across this social distance.
The cloak of love will stem, not feed the spread of the virus.
Please isolate yourself, but not from your compassion. Not from this our common sense or common circumstance.
There is no us and them. You cannot save yourself.
Unless you think of how to keep the other person safe.
For everyone can cough and every head can ache.
And there will always be a reason why every heart will break. It is the way of life, whether you're white or black.
Anyone can go to bed and wake up very sick.